Today we're breaking down the newest and most powerful feature of ChatGPT, the canvas. If you've been wondering what canvas is, how it works, and how it can level up your writing and coding workflow, what is Canvas? Canvas is a new workspace inside of ChatGPT designed for writing and coding projects that need editing, revisions, and inline feedback. It is currently available on web, Windows, and macOS, with mobile support coming soon. Whenever you're working on long content, maybe a script, article, or a block of code, Canvas gives you a full editing panel on the right hand side where ChatGPT can help you refine, debug, rewrite, or even run your Python code directly in your browser. Canvas understands the full context of your project. If you highlight a paragraph, boom, ChatGPT focuses on only that part. This is perfect for editing scripts, FAQs, or writing single sections. Now let's try the demo prompt. Now the demo prompt is highlight this paragraph and make it more friendly. You don't have to type instructions if you don't want to. You can click inside the canvas and edit text or code manually. Basic formatting like bold, italics, headers, lists are supported. At the bottom right, you'll find shortcuts that instantly improve your writing. Now, the shortcuts include suggest edits, adjust length, change reading level from kindergarten to graduate school, add final polish, add emojis, let's try this in a demo prompt. Adjust length, make this section shorter. For developers, this is where Canvas becomes insane. You can add logs, add comments, fix bugs, translate code to other languages, run a full code review. Some actions instantly rewrite your code with improvements, demos, fix bugs. Port this to JavaScript. You can move between all the versions using the arrows on top. If you want to see what changed, click Show Changes. All additions and deletions appear clear. This one blew my mind. Running a Python code inside the canvas without using any external tools. Just hit execute and the output appears at the bottom. If there is an error, you can click fix bug and ChatGPT tries correcting it for you automatically. Canvas can render React and HTML code inside a sandbox. You can write components, UI elements, land pages, and preview everything instantly. For organizations, admins can control whether users can run code or access the network. By default, code execution is on, network access is off. You can open a canvas automatically when ChatGPT generates more than 10 lines of content, or manually typing. Open as canvas, open a coding canvas. You can also paste content into ChatGPT and convert it into a canvas instantly. You can share your canvas to anyone by just clicking the share button, and you can download your work as PDF or Word document. Number 11. Web safety alerts. When Canvas tries to load the web previews, ChatGPT will ask for your confirmation before allowing any external communication. This is super important for privacy and safety, and that's a full walkthrough of the ChatGPT Canvas feature. Whether you're a writer, student, developer, or content creator, this tool can seriously transform your workflow. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.